Today I'm sharing a stunning and elegant high faux puff hairstyle which is perfect for short to medium natural hair. I worked on stretched hair for this look. To prep my hair, I spread a little water to dampen it slightly. Damp hair is much easier to mold and it helps achieve a sleek finish without causing breakage. After that, I positioned my bun and I used 3 rubber bands to carefully tie the hair into a small bun at the desired spot. The 3 rubber bands helped the bun to be super firm and secure, giving it a very strong foundation for the style. Once my bun was secured, I used Eco Styler gel for that sleek and polished finish. I dipped my comb into the gel and began applying it to my hair, starting from the front and working my way up. I then used my gummy wax to slick back my edges. For the bun, I used Brazilian wool hair as the base. I started by cutting the wool into manageable sections and then I attached it to a rubber band, creating a simple extension piece. I secured the rubber band around my natural hair bun and then I twisted the Brazilian wool hair to create a neat strand. Then I wrapped it around my natural bun to form the base structure. I used bobby pins to secure the bun. I then added this beautiful gold thread accessory to the bun. I just cut it and then I tied it around my bun. I attached my Afro puff by tying it securely at the top of my bun, and then I used bobby pins to keep it in place. I added more gold thread to the Brazilian wool base, and that's basically it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this tutorial inspires you to try something bold and creative with your natural hair. If you love this look, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you haven't, for more amazing hairstyles every single day of this month. Let me know in the comments if you're trying this style and how it worked for you. I'll see you tomorrow for day number 10 of crown mess. Thank you and bye.